Hello everyone and welcome back again to a new video where today I'm going to be showing you the basics of Worldedit. Please note that this is only the basics, so it's not all going to be all the commands. For a detailed commands list, you can click the first link in the description and it will take you to a website where all the commands are listed. Let's get right into it. Alright, so to get the wand, to get the editing tool, you have to type on your keyboard /wand and you'll receive a wooden axe. As you can see, it also said in my command bar, left click select position 1, right click select position 2. This is for an area selection. So if I want to set this rectangle here, as you can see, stone for example, you can left click your first corner, then right click the opposite corner, and then everything in between will be filled with stone. So I can demonstrate it right now. First command is going to be /set. And now you can do any block you want. You can do it stone, you can do it quartz block, for example, and now we'll set everything to quartz. To undo something, you can do /undo, and you can do that as much you want. It basically just removed everything you've edited. To redo something, for example, I wanted to have the stone, so let's suppose I accidentally typed undo 2 times. I can do the /redo for it to return the area selection. Also, it works in 3D, so as you can see, I clicked on 2 ground blocks and it filled everything in between those ground blocks. You can also build up like this, and then this will be your first position, this will be your second position. And now if you want to set it, for example, oak planks, you can do /set oak planks, and it will set it. It's always in 3D and it's always a rectangle. So, yeah, I hope that makes it easier for you. If you want to, for example, let's say I want to make a little building here. So I want to set the floor to be oak planks. I'm going to make the selection where I want the floor to be. And now you can see the floor has been set. If I want to make a wall around it, for example, I want a wall with 3 blocks tall. I can do like this. Select the area, and now you can do /wall. It's going to be the second command, /walls. And now you can set the walls to be anything. For example, I want to set it quartz bricks, just like the house right next to it. And now it will set everything quartz bricks. Please keep in mind that it kind of does the same thing as with set, although it kind of only builds a 1 block wall around it. So if I undo, you can see that the wall actually starts on the block you selected. So everything in between this will be filled except like the all right. Which means that you get a 1 block wall here until here and then back again. Same thing on the other side. And it's very handy because you don't have to type 2 commands. Of course, you can do it with set, and then you can remove it with another command. You can do /cut, and now it will remove the blocks that I selected. Of course, you can also copy and paste, which is a very important command, because if you're going to be building a large city, for example, you can make a base for a building and then you can copy it and edit each building accordingly. So I'm going to show you how to do it in a second. For example, I want to copy this house right here, and I want to paste it right here, so next to it. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the entire house. So make sure that you take everything with it. So you also want to take like the roof and stuff. You have to build high enough so you can take like the entire area. Now, the very important thing is that every object that you copy is being copied relative to the player. So if you're standing right here at the front door and you hit /copy, which is the 3rd command, I think 4th command even, it has copied the house relative to me. So it has copied. So if I do /paste, it will paste the house in front of me with the front door right in front of me. So if I go right here and I want to paste my house, I can do /paste, and it will paste it, as you can see, with the front door in front of me, because I copied it standing right in front of the front door, which is very handy. You can also rotate selections by doing /rotate. So, and now comes a very important part. Now you have to type in 3 numbers. I'm going to set them all to 0 for now, but we're going to change one of them. So the first number is the rotation in the x-axis. So it's going to be horizontal rotation. Second one is the y-axis, which is the vertical rotation. And the third one is the z-axis, which is also like a vertical rotation, but then to the side. You won't really use the last two, but you will use the first one. So if I want to rotate it 180 degrees, I just type in 180 0 0. You have to specify the other ones, other axes as well, so that command can complete successfully. I'm going to rotate it right now, and if I hit paste right now, then it will paste behind me with the front door right in front of me. So I'm going to stand right here. I'm going to hit paste. And it pasted right in front of me, as you can see, with the front door, just like I said. Please keep in mind that the selection doesn't remember which way you're looking at. So if I look there, it will still paste behind me. Oh, it did not. One moment. It still pastes behind me because it only records your position. It doesn't record the direction you're looking at. So you can't rotate stuff by just looking the other way. That's a very important thing. All right, so now I'm going to demonstrate another thing, which is replacing certain blocks within your selection. So for example, let's suppose I want to change the roof to a different block. Let's make it warped stairs. Why not? So again, you're going to select the entire house. Okay, by the way, if it doesn't say anything when you right-click a selection, then it means you've already selected it. So I forgot that I did it already. So now you want to have the block ID for this, which is Acacia Stairs. Usually the block ID of a block post 1.13 is the name of the block, but then all lowercase and where the space starts underscore. So as you can see, it says Acacia Stairs. So the block ID will be like this, with an underscore. So if I want to replace it, I use the command /replace. I want to replace Acacia Stairs with warped stairs. So I'm going to do the following: /replace. First, you want to type in the block you want to replace. In our case, Acacia Stairs. Second, you want to type in the block you want to have it replaced with. So in our case, warped stairs. Hit enter, and as you can see, it replaced part of it. And it didn't replace it very well. So that's also a flaw of Worldedit, is that you cannot really rotate it to fit, kind of. And I also didn't do this because this is a Acacia block and this is a Acacia slab. So yeah, sometimes it doesn't work like this because stairs generally spawn facing one way. Let's undo that. But you saw that my point stays. So you still can replace certain blocks. We're gonna try it out with the glass. Let's see. I want it. Let's do cyan stained glass. I want to replace the glass pane with it. So you can do /replace glass pane cyan stained glass. Hit enter, and as you can see, everything replaces. So as you can see with the stairs, it wasn't a very good example because, well, it did replace, but it replaced it the wrong way. But usually, like blocks that aren't bound to only one direction, they can be replaced without any problems. So yeah, basically that was it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.